that yesterday the president said is going to make sure ODM remains to be the party. I want to urge him out of the meeting of yesterday and today, Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, wewe ulikuwa, you were a member of ODM. How I wish when you're going to sit down that you come back to your former party, ODM. If you came back to ODM, definitely we'll have you as our flag bearer. If you came back to ODM, we will fulfill the promise Baba had a vision for. But for sure, I know hard times are ahead of us. We will go through it. I know crocodiles are there. They have emerged. They'll try to swim above the waters. We will be there to handle them. As Simba Arati, the governor of Kisii and the deputy party of ODM, I can assure you that in 2027, we will have our candidate, ODM candidate, as a presidential candidate.